What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mark TV. Mark here with another exciting, delightful, much interesting video here on the channel. Well, after the victory yesterday, where it was officially declared Tinubu the running presidential aspirant for APC, it's now very clear to so many Igbos, so many youth outside there that yes, we are really going to restore Nigerian back to ourselves. Then the way forward is getting our PVC and voting the right person, and which at this moment now everybody is really out and nobody really wants one of those old men to rule us again. And the only person who is like the youngest there, who can actually change the narrative of Nigeria, remains Peter Obi. And this is one beautiful thing that a lot of Igbos, Nigerians generally, are really trying to make sure that it's a dream come true, and the restoration of Nigeria should at least start from there. Now, they raised over 25 billion naira for the campaign, and the raising process is one amazing thing that I want to share with you guys. Peter Obi campaign is really something that everybody has seen it to be a means of liberating Nigeria generally from this stock problem we are, where dollar is going up, everything. I made so many videos here where celebrities like P Square, Flavor, and the rest of others have shown their support, ready to campaign for him. Now this one is Obi Cubana, actor Eze, and the rest of other big boys, how they were able to raise 25 billion naira in 2 weeks for this campaign. Anyway, without wasting much of your time, I'm just going to show you a picture or an image of how they raised the fund and the breakdown, and also a little clip from Obi Cubana and actor Eze. Enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Drop a comment in the comment section.
Anyị dọsọ onye chaka bịago kwenu ịgba ke n'ọkpata ozu ọra n'anya ọba Tifobi na-amụ ihe bụ ọkpọle ya nke mama higirigi ndị Igbo tarama.
In the comment section, I want to ask, do you guys really think Peter Obi would be able to kick out Atiku and Tinubu and restore this Nigeria of ours in come 2023, since the race is now between the three of them now, which is Peter Obi, Atiku, and yes, Tinubu? Now, do you guys really think he will be able to kick them out and win the election? Drop that in the comment section. Let's have an interactive time here as well. Anyway, at the same time, I also want to say a very big shout out to all of you. We are 80,000 subscribers here on the channel. I want to say thank you for always supporting, thank you for always coming back to check out our videos. I really do appreciate your time here. Enjoy the video. See you guys on my next video.